Hey and welcome. I'm your boy Solo. In this video I'll be going over how to add a few new looks to OBS, customizing the way it looks from colors and fonts fast and easy. Before I waste any more time, let's jump into it. In OBS, when you go to the settings, here on the first tab you'll find themes, and there is 4 options in here already that in my opinion don't look too bad. I'll be going over how to add a few more options to pick from. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to obsprojects.com. So in Google I just typed in OBS projects and here I found obsprojects.com. And I'm going to go over here and click the forms. In the forms it's going to come up here and we're going to click on the resources. In the resources we're just going to click on the themes. After we click on the themes we'll be able to look through what we're going to have for options. There's not much right now, but we can expect to see more in the future. So take a look and see if you find one that best suits you, or just any that might be better than that you think that might be better than the stock. I'll be going with CGC OBS and mixery. So right here, I'll be going with this one as well. Alright, once you find the ones that you like, we're just going to click on them and we're going to download them. So just click the download on the ones that you selected or just the one that you selected. Okay, some may be a little bit different. On the GitHub, we just need to scroll down until we find the zip for the theme. And after that, we'll just need to follow a few simple instructions from the download page, or sometimes they're included with the download. And most times this consists of unzipping it with 7-zip, installing the font, and then moving the file to the right location. So let's do this now. First thing I'm going to do is drag my themes to the desktop so I'll have an easier time finding them. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is unzip the files so that we're ready when we go find the location. So we're going to extract all and just click extract. Perfect, we'll do this on all of them. Alright, now we just need to find the location where to put them. So the first place that I'm going to go to is open the File Explorer. We're going to go to the C drive and double click it. Now if you have the 64-bit or the 86X, if you have the 64-bit, we'll find it in Program Files. So this is where we'll most likely find it. If you installed the 32-bit, you'll have to look in the Program Files, the x86 version. Alright, once we're in here, we just need to scroll down until we find OBS Studios and double click it. Okay, once we click it, we'll go in Data, and then again in OBS Studios. In here, we'll actually see it'll be fairly apparent and it'll say Themes. We're going to double click on that, and there, we're ready to drag and drop our files over. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to do the mixery first. So what we want to do once we're here is open up the file that we extracted, double click on it again, and it will come with a readme. This one here has a readme, and one has without fonts and with fonts. For this example, I'm going to do the one with fonts. So what we want to do is we want to load up this here piece, double click the fonts, click on it, and install it. So this is all you have to do here, and install it to Windows so that you have the font. Then you just need to go back, copy these 2 folders right here, this file, this QSS, and the one named the same as it. So the mixery.qss and mixery, and just drag them over. Okay, once they're over there. Perfect. It's installed. Now while I'm here, I'm going to do this other one, and the same thing, just click on this unzipped folder, click on it. It's going to have the OBS theme and the assets. So here's the 2 folders. See, this one was a little bit more straightforward. It has the install here. We're just going to go here and drag that one in. Continue. Continue. Alright, we're just going to close those files down. Give this a refresh, and reopen up our OBS Studios. We're going to do the same thing. We're just going to go down to the settings, Go into the themes, and there we go. Now we have mixery and CGC. So we're going to pick the CGC, and there we go. Now I have a totally different look on my OBS. Let's go to the mixery. There's with the different font. Quite a new look to it. So if you're looking to spice up your OBS a little bit, or maybe just tired of the same old dark and light themes and you were looking for something just a little new, there is a few options there, and I do expect more to come in the future. So keep that in mind when you're looking. There's not a lot of options now, but there is a few options, and they do look better than the stock in my opinion. They're fun to play around with. For now, I'll be sticking with the dark theme by default, just because it's easier when I'm making content and videos for people to follow along. But I did enjoy those options when I found out how to switch them to all these different ones. I was very impressed at some of them and how they looked, and some of the community built ones are actually fairly good looking and are very usable. So if you're looking for a different look, check them out for sure. That being said, that was everything there is to it. If you like or found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up and get subscribed for more content. Thanks for watching, guys.